Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into this video. And today, just as the video stated, I will be showing you a bunch of exporting times on a number of computers that I happen to be around or that I own myself. Now I'll have the specs of each computer on the screen as I'm showing you the screen recording, and also I will just go ahead and type it out so that way you can have a clear understanding of what computer that I'm using right now. So I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, but enjoy the video.